Welcome guys. Let's do Binance Coin technical analysis and price prediction. So please watch this video complete and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Join me on Telegram and Twitter, links are in this video's description. Please watch this video complete because in this video I am going to show you my new charts and all targets. And if you want to grab these bounces, $9,180 bounces of these exchanges, just go to in this video's comment section or in this video's description where you can get these links. Click on these links and create your account, and after deposit you can grab these bounces. These bounces are absolutely free and these bounces are tradable. Just trade with these bounces only, put your seed money away. This is risk-free trading strategy. Let's dive into the content and let me please show you first chart. This is Binance USDT pair 4-hour chart, and currently Binance coin price is $527 right now. It is facing resistance to break this zone, $536 price zone. Once it broke this, in that case next target is 550 and after that 573. These are targets, and there is a support zone which is at this level, $510 to $511 price zone, and this is a strong support zone, and currently it is in this falling wedge and it is a bullish pattern. Once it broke towards upside, our first target will be 500 and let me please keep mark on it, $555, and after that next target is 570 and after that 594 and so on. Let me please show you some indicators. There is a decent volume in 4-hour chart and that is very good thing. And let me please show you EMA ribbon. Candles have to break $555 price area. After that candles will break this EMA ribbon, and after that price will hit these targets very soon. Until now, maybe we may see some sideways actions, and if unfortunately price drop from this zone, then next support zone is at $511 price zone, and after that this zone is very important, very important to hold, which is $480 price zone. These are support zones, $510, $480, and these are all resistance zone as well as these are targets. We have to look very carefully. Let me please show you some other indicators. Let me please show you RSI. Current RSI is at 40. It have to cross 50. After that price definitely will move towards upside, and let me please show you MACD. MACD crossover towards upside and green towers are coming. That means price will increase very soon and we have to wait for this. And let me please show you daily chart. This is Binance USDT pair daily chart, and currently it is in this ascending channel, or you can say ascending wedge type pattern, but it is ascending channel. And here you can see, if I zoom this is upper trend line, this is down trend line, and it is very important trend line to hold. After several times when price touches this downtrend line, price bounce back. Here you can see, here you can see, here you can see. Now what next? I think price have to move towards upside and have to hit this target, and it is at $575 price area. After that price can hit this area, which is, let me please arrange this again, which is this area, 632, and after that this zone sorry, $660. These are three immediate short-term targets. Price can hit these targets very soon, but for all these things price have to hold this area very tightly, and it is at this zone, which is $510 price area. And let me please hide this, and if I draw a channel, let me please draw this, and let me please do it again. Here you can see, let me please delete this. Here you can see price break this channel towards downside, but after that price again pull back, and here you can see again this type of scenario where maybe we may see price can drop to this zone. This zone is very important, and it is at $480 price zone. Maybe price can go down to retest this zone, and after that price will go up. This will be the possible scenario, and maybe it will be. We have to wait until it have to hit this target 575, after that 632, and after that $661 price zone. Let me please show you volume. Volume is missing in daily chart, very low volume. Let me please show you EMA ribbon. Candles have to break $575 price area. After that upside rally will start, and after that this EMA ribbon will turn into support zone. Let me please hide this, and let me please show you RSI. Daily RSI is at 41. It have to cross 50. After that price definitely will move towards upside. MACD crossover was towards downside, but now towers are changing color. Maybe we may see price increase after some while. And let me please delete all these things, and let me please show you fib levels to trade and my favorite indicator. First of all, I have to delete all these things. Note down these things. Let me please show you my favorite indicator first, which is CPR indicator. And let me please zoom this. Here you can see currently it is hitting by first, it hit by first bearish zone, $529 price zone. Second bearish zone is at $442 price zone, which is very unfortunate if this happen. And once candles broke this, these three yellow lines are main CPR levels and main CPR spotted levels. Once candle broke $610 price zone, after that upside rally will start. These blue lines are main CPR lines. First CPR target monthly is 689, 762 second target, and third target is 849. But for all these targets, candle have to break this zone and close daily candle above this zone, which is $6.15 price area, $615 price area. Candles have to break this and close daily candle above this. After that, maybe price can hit these targets. And let me please hide, remove all these things, and let me please hide this. And let me please show you fib levels to trade. Let me please do this. Here you can see it create a double top, and after that it is creating a M pattern. If it broke this towards downside, maybe it will be very unfortunate. Let me please zoom this first. Let me please do this. Let me please fix this. Here you can see. Currently it is trying to break 531 fib level, which once it broke this area, 0.23 fib level, which is at $531 price zone. Next area is 0.38 fib level, which is at $557 price zone. After that, 0.5 Fibonacci level, which is at 579 price zone. After that, 0.61, which is golden pocket, and it is at $600 price zone. And after that, 0.78, which is at $630 price zone. And after that, 0.88, which is at $648 price zone. These are trade zones. Note down these zones, and these are fib levels to trade. This is my technical analysis, guys. I hope you like this. If you like this, then please subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon right now, and please share this video with all of your friends and crypto community. And if you want to grab these bounces, $9,180 bounces of these exchanges, just go to in this video's description or in this video's comment section. where you can get these links. Click on these links and create your accounts. And after creating accounts, you have to deposit. After deposit, you can grab these bounces. These bounces are absolutely free bounces, and these are tradable bounces. Just trade with these bounces only and put your seed money away. This is risk free trading strategy. Thanks for the watching and always keep supporting me. Take care.